Oh yeah, sanibonani tumelani absheni nda, it's your boy TJ. Ebathuma ukuyulushaba umphiko umagidi sohlala umwande sihlabathi sasolwande dubele mnyame womvile elivomve latukayo umasoka emndeni ra. We're back with another episode of Street Quiz right here on Street Hangout Buffet. You already know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the button below and subscribe. We're still gonna bring you more and more. Right now, you already know what's so inside. Right here, Kushu edition. Buffet. Yes, this CV is difficult for me. This CV. Let's go. What's your name?
Kamalam Treasure.
My
name is Mpilo Kowane.
My name is Treasure Ngwenya.
Treasure Ngwenya from?
Mkhulu.
What's 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7. Check. Yo, 23 minus 7. 13.
What is 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7.
Yes.
30.
You sure? What's the difference between traffic lights and a robot?
Traffic light. There is no difference between traffic light and a robot.
Spell the word Jesus.
Jesus.
What is 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7 it's 16.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge, ne? It's something okay. A fridge is something let's take something like my fruit or send that in the refrigerator. Lafaga my ice corner something different to be ice.
God have mercy upon us.
What's the difference between traffic lights and a robot?
Traffic lights imoto. Imoto. And then a robot, it's something the bayibeke endleleni njengase plaza ne. Yeah, robot. The one.
Spell the word Jesus.
Jesus.
Huh?
Jesus.
23 minus 7.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
26.
What's the difference between committing suicide and killing yourself?
I'm not different.
Please spell Jesus.
Jesus. Okay, Jesus.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% if I'm sure.
What?
If I'm sure.
Oh my God!
What's 23 minus 7?
It's 16.
Differentiate between a fridge and a refrigerator.
Fridge and a refrigerator. A little bit difficult, but a fridge I'll say somewhere like the cold stuff, but a little bit there, but I don't know. Yeah.
It does what?
Cold things, right?
Okay, what's that? Is it a fridge or a refrigerator?
I don't know what that.
What does CV stand for?
CV. Oh my God. I haven't learned that. I would say the employment application to apply for everything that you need.
Yeah, boy. I mean, what does CV? And what does CV stand for?
I don't know.
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
What does CV stand for?
CV. CV. Aish, ilobe la because itongiphazamisa.
Please name big 5 animals.
Big 5. Elephant,
Okay.
leopard,
Okay.
lion, and
2,000 years later.
also lion. Also lion. Nokunye kangilahlekela.
Spell the word Jesus.
Jesus. Jesus. JUSUS.
23 minus 7.
23 minus 7.
Yeah.
23 minus 7 is it's 26.
26. What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
Difference ngoba leyana kahle kahle adifreeze ukufana.
If I decide to release this vertical one,
A fridge.
ifreezer ngoba kahle kahle ku difference vela ngathi ngidokube kanjani mara ku difference.
Please spell the word Jesus.
GESUS.
What is 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7. 17.
Does CV stand for?
Oh, I don't know.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
Everything la ufa khona mara kuyafana.
Spell the word Jesus.
JESUS.
Okay. What's 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7, it's 16.
Name big 5 animals.
Big 5 animals, it's the rhino, the elephant, the lion, the, the buffalo, and what's the last one? A hippo. A hippo.
Spell the word Jesus.
Yeah, bafuna ngamcall Jesus. Yeah, ngamcall Jesus.
Spell the word Jesus.
Yeah. How Jesus bafuna mina ngihlala naye ba.
I think my brain just committed suicide.
Spell igama lelo Jesus.
Yeah, ngakuspelela lona.
Okay, angispell lona.
G
oh my God!
GISUSE.
What?
The big 5 animals.
Big 5 animals.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The rhino face. Elephant.
Yeah.
And bafang sawat la hanya.
What does CV stand for?
Savina. Wange ma details yakho.
I mean the abbreviation CV.
Khohlwile mina ngisakwazi.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
What's 23 minus 7?
19.
19.
Emotional damage.
Name big 5 animals.
Leopard, lion, elephant. Sengibale ngahle.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Zebra.
God have mercy upon us.
Can you please spell the word Jesus?
G-U-S-U-S.
What does CV stand for?
Curriculum vitae.
What's 23 minus 7?
23 minus 7 is 17.
Big 5 animals.
Elephant, rhino, what's this? Rhino, buffalo, yo, give me another one. Yo, okay. The fifth one is boys.
What?
Boys are animals.
Animals.
Yes.
Banunu. But I heard that. They will hurt you.
And they dogs.
All of them.
Specifically boys.
Why do you say so?
Yeah, boys are trash and they're animals and they're dogs. So they're part of the big 5.
I'm here to tell you right now. We don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A refrigerator is the long word for fridge. So I don't think there's any difference. It's the same thing. Basically, it's like saying probably instead of probably.